Number of oxalic acid molecules in 100 ml 0.2 molar oxalic acid. Number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro constant. What is the number of moles? Molarity into volume in liter into Avogadro constant. What is molarity? 0.2. What is volume in liter? 0.1 liter. So what is the answer? 0.2, 0.1 into Avogadro number over. So 0.2 into so it is 0.2 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 22. 0.1, I am cancelling. It is 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 0.1. That is 6.023 into 10 power 22 into 0.2. 1.2 something into 10 power. Option option D. Option D. 1.2 into 10 power 22. 6 into 0.2. 1.2 into 10 power 22. That is the answer. Option D. So number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro constant. Simply work out.